Okay, listen. I know you might have seen a lot of YouTube videos already on how to make money online. I know, create a blog, click on ads, copy paste writing, captcha, blah, blah, blah. And I'm 100% sure that even after trying these things, you'll be like, boss, that doesn't really work. After all, you don't want to work like for the entire day and make like 50 rupees at the end of the day, right? That's not good. But that's what most of these so-called make money online techniques do. Too much silly work and they pay you peanuts. And you can't blame these videos as well. Of course, they're talking about how to make money, but just that the money is just so little less. You have to do so much hard work for it. Probably not worth your time. We all need legit ways to make money. Like earn at least a few thousand rupees every month, right? Otherwise, what's the use? Just a waste of time. Okay, now you might be thinking, what is this guy going to do that nobody has talked about ever? Here's the thing. I recently found out an app which is brand new on the App Store and have been getting a lot of reviews from its users. And everybody is happy with it. I found it on the Play Store so early that not many people have been reviewing it on YouTube. Yes, found something that nobody really knows. So let me tell you what it is all about. Enough build up. So this app is called Dukaan. Dukaan for non-Hindi speakers means shop. And here's how it'll help you make money sitting at home. First off, it lets you create a simple online store in just 30 seconds or less through the app. So 30 seconds is a little bit of an exaggeration, but even 1 minute is enough. 1 minute is all it takes to create your own online shop of anything. Now, before you think, oh, this is for selling something online, no, it is not. Hear me out. Now, you can literally sell anything through this app, not just things, even services. You should see some of the guys who are actually making money through this app. A Panditji, he's actually selling his puja and matchmaking services online through Dukaan. To set up a store in less than a minute, all you have to do is give in your store name, put in your address and click photos of whatever you want to sell with their price. But that's it. This Panditji took his own selfie and is selling puja services for 2,500 rupees per hour. Smart, no? Now, it's not only this Panditji, there's all kinds of creative people. There's one person from Rajasthan selling his own paintings online. There's a housewife from Chennai who's selling her free advice and consultation. 5,000 rupees per hour. Not bad. There's this gentleman from Bangalore selling homemade biryanis on Dukaan. Sweet, no? Now, how do you make money with Dukaan? Simple. You just make your own store, like I mentioned above. Then you will get a link to your store and products. You just copy paste it or share it with anyone who might want to buy from you. So if you're selling your free service and consultation, just share your link to friends on WhatsApp groups or maybe just put it in your status. Anybody can pay you online easily. If someone buys a product from you, you will get a notification in the app. You can either accept it or deny it. And when you accept it, the buyer also gets a notification on WhatsApp. You can do cash on delivery or online payment. Everything is so simple with this app. Now, the only thing is that you have to figure out what you want to sell. Like Panditji, do you want to sell your services? Like free 1-hour consultation or advice? Or do you have any talent that you want to sell? Like paintings perhaps, or maybe if you're a singer, you can take orders for singing or take lessons online. Or if you're a Kirana store owner, you can even sell all of your products online. Just take pictures of things and put a price against it, and that's it. So this is probably the most simple app that I've seen that lets you sell anything online. No need for any kind of investment. No domain name, no website, no janjat, no nothing. Everything is as simple as using WhatsApp. Now, another interesting thing is that this is a 100% Indian app. Your data is 100% secure. No wonder this app was actually trending on the Play Store the other day. And check out the reviews. It's awesome. Everyone is so happy with the services. So if you're sitting at home wondering how to make money online, try this app. Go to the Play Store and download it. Think of something you can sell for yourself. A consultation service, old things that you might want to just get rid of, your homemade food making business that you've been struggling to promote on WhatsApp. Now everything will be easy. Making your shop online, listing products, selling and taking orders easy as 1, 2, 3. All under 1 minute. That's crazy, right? The link to download this app is in the description, or you can search on the Google Play Store for Dukaan and you should find it. You know, the secret to making it big in this scene is to try new tools before others. The earlier you do, the better it is. That's why they call the first mover advantage, right? And Dukaan is one such tool. So try it before everybody starts using it. You will get the first mover advantage. Let's do it. So there you have it, guys. The easiest way to make money online. All it takes is your skills and one simple free app. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. This is Mani Karthik, signing off.